I work since 20 years around in the field of industrial automation, in particular the relationship between the user, the operator, human operators, and the machines. The main issue in this machine is interface, the human-machine interface, HMI, that is the real core of the system that is able to start, stop, and aid the user to detect any cause of problems that may stop the machine. Today, actually, the HMI is built around the machine, and the user has a little importance in this HMI. So usually, sometime may happen that the machine cannot be understood by the user. So the reason of the inclusive project. Inclusive project developed a new concept and methodologies around the new generation of HMI, in which the user is considered as having a central role in the driving of the machine. Inclusive project has three pillars. The first pillar is the measurement module. In the measurement module, the skill, the actual skill and capabilities of the operator have been measured. So the user can be profiled, and the result of this measurement can be used in the second part of the system, the adaptation module, in which the interface is adapted to the real skill and capability of the user. The third part of the inclusive project is the teaching module. The teaching module is used to improve the capabilities and the skill of the user to perform new and more complex operation over the machine. Actually, the inclusive project has been tested in the real industrial use cases, trying to covering the major characteristics of the industrial sectors all over Europe. In particular, the inclusive has been tested on the woodworking machine that will be usually used by elderly persons who have not a great skill in interacting with computerized system. The second use case is in the robotic sector for manufacturing. In this case, inclusive addressed the case in which a new factory has been built on automation system, starting from poor skill in the operator. And in this case, the inclusive project wants to deal with the poor background of operator in interacting with automatic system and machines. And the third use case is in the large manufacturing plants, in which we have a great variety in the skill and capabilities of operator. In our opinion, the impact of inclusive project would be in the improvement of awareness of the industrial sector all over Europe in the importance of HMI in general, and in particular in the HMI that are able to include every kind of persons in the production processes. If these persons are elder or old person, or they may have some impairment. As I said before, reversing the focus from the machine to the human operator that should be able, in principle, to interact with every kind of machine with any complexity in any situation. So as a final remarks, if the machine can work satisfactorily, is a goal of the person, of the human, that is able to interact efficiently to the machine using a well-done, well-operative HMI.